Nieces and nephews, we are at a crossroad here. Okay? Reason why I say this is because yesterday we see that we had head and shoulder pattern that developed, and all we needed was the breakdown of 395, this orange line. You can see on this orange line it has served the bulls many times. And if we break it down, I was favoring a test of 390. Okay, unfortunately for day traders like myself, the move happened in the pre-market. As you can see, bounce off 390, bulls defended. Now the reason why I say we are at a crossroad is because looking at this head and shoulder pattern, I had the neckline at 395. Today, the SPY back tested that neckline as a resistance and found selling pressure. Gave us a nice level to level move intraday, which was alerted in my Discord. But look at that, end of day gave us a nice strong close. So bulls stepped up where they needed to, bears stepped up where they needed to. What is the next move? Today, like usual, Uncle Chart is going to talk about the triggers and setups that we need to watch out for. Let's prepare. Okay, so we already know how critical the 390 level is and how critical that 395 level is. It's going to be very simple, okay? Bulls must recapture 395. Make it very simple. Recapture 395. I'll look for calls. I'll bet to the upside. All right. Gotta watch out for the false breakout. If it clears 395, I usually use the 15 to 30 minute chart to confirm intraday if a level has been cleared or broken down. Okay. That's what I do. That's the uncle style. But if it breaks above it intraday and close back below, that's a false breakout. Always gotta watch out for it. Okay. But if it doesn't happen and it clears 395, this is the bull case, guys. Cleared 395, we could trigger back some upside. All right, above 395, there is a gap around 396s. Okay, but I do got resistance at 397 and 398.5. All right, can't see it on this chart. We'll have to go to the daily chart. Here's the daily chart, guys. Remember on Tuesday I mentioned for the bear case that they need to take down the, close back below. It's around 397.5. Close back below that and take out that 395. We could possibly test 390. It worked out pretty well, okay? So hopefully you guys was able to catch the move. If not, remember there's always another setup to catch. Catch the next setup. Like I said, clear 395. We could trigger some upside, all right? I have 397, all right? Critical level around 398.5 as well, all right? 398.5. is my 38.2 fib level from January high down to October low, okay? And of course that critical 400 level as well, okay? We all know how critical that level is. As far as my chart is concerned, that is the 61.8 fib level from August high down to October low, okay? The exact number is 399.79, but I give it a zone up to 400. We round it up to 400, make it an even number, okay? Not a big deal, all right? So like I said, above 395, look for calls. All right. As long as below 395, though, I do got some levels. 393.5, 392. You guys can see here intraday, clearing it on the 15-minute chart, triggered a nice level move to 393.5. Cleared that and hit our support almost to 395. Losing it gave us a false breakout setup, triggered a nice level move to the next support around 392. It defended, and that's where the end of day bounce happened. Okay, so below 395 I got 393.5, 392, and of course the critical 390 level, which defended today. Guys, we are at a crossroad. All right, that range is 390 to 395. Anything in between that, that's chop. That's chop. That's noise, market noise. Okay, I want to see a breakout of this range before I pick a direction. All right, other than that, like usual, I will be playing it level to level. All right, you guys should know my setups by now. All right, so but I'm gonna move on to the QQQ. So that had a critical level, 38.2 fib level at 284.88. All right, that was a support level all week. All week was a support level. We gapped below it, but it treated that level today as a resistant. Today it closed at 284.81. So the 38.2 fill level I got is 284.88. So just a few cents shy of closing above it. So to be bullish, QQQ needs to recapture that level tomorrow. I got the next critical level at 287.8. All right, that is my 50% fib level from March 2020 low to November 2021 high. Okay, 287. I got it at 287.76. All right, so clear that. That will also be a breakout of my multi-month trend line, the white trend line that I got right there. See that? Many touches, about 4 touches, 5th touch there, 6, 7 touches off this trend line. Okay, we recently had a false breakout, or we gapped above and closed below it. You can see on Tuesday, Wednesday, yesterday, we treated like a resistant. See the wick? Pushed down, got that nice gap down today, but back tested that 284.88 level. Like I said, bulls need to recapture that. Bears need to defend that and push back down to the downside. I got 283 as support, 281, 279.5-ish as support. Okay, and I got this white trend line right here. Breaking out this trend line back in November 10th did give us a nice one directional move to the upside. Support of it is at 275.8-ish. We can round it up to 276 or give it a zone. But below 275.8, that's a false breakout setup. Very bearish if we lose that level, okay? So, recapture 284.88. Clear 287.76. That'll be bullish, all right? As long as below 283, 281, 279.5, and the critical 276 level based on this white trend line right there, okay, guys? Let the price action guide you. And look at Tesla. Rejected off a very critical level back on Tuesday. Yesterday it showed follow through. Today showed a little bit more follow through. All right, I was bearish. Now I'm zoom out. See, pay attention to the orange line. Okay, it's based on a triangle pattern. We broke down below it November 7th. Okay, that was a support level that we broke down November 7th. And then November 15th on Tuesday, we back tested as a resistance. So a critical support level becomes a resistance. That's usually a bearish price action. And it did show follow through these last couple of trading days. All right. However, support right now is at 186. Needs to clear 186 to put a higher price target and play. I got 192. And of course, based on that orange trend line, 199.84, we can round it up to 200. So I'll be bullish on Tesla above 200. Okay. As long as we are below 186, I got the next support around 180, 177. All right. These purple lines are my fib levels, okay? This 177 was based on a previous low back in March 2021, last year, okay? So losing that level, losing that low, you know, it also matched around November 9th, okay? Actually, yeah, this is November 9th low. Excuse me, 177 is the November 9th low. So we lose that level. Could see more downside. Could get a lot more ugly. I got the next support around 175, 174.5-ish. These are previous pivot lows, 169-ish. All right. So like I said, clear some resistance starting with 186. Above 200, I'll be more bull bias. All right. Below 186, we can see more downside. Okay. Let's end this with the option flow. Coming in here, November 18th, 395 strike. Yeah, these are pretty close. But yeah, overall bullish. So that's very interesting to me. Yeah, you can see right here, these are big size orders of calls, excuse me, sweeps. Pretty aggressive. All right, so keep that in mind, guys. Big money even today was still overall bullish on SPY. However, big money was not bullish on QQQ, 72% in the put flow. Seeing some big money going into puts. You guys see that? 1.2 right here, over 5,000. 260 strike price, December 16th. Okay, that's pretty aggressive. This is a block order right here, 280 strike price. Okay, let's end this with Tesla. Anything interesting? Tesla over 89% in the puts. Okay, so nothing that fits my criteria as far as these contracts go. But, excuse me, not 89, 69%. That's overall bearish on the Tesla. Okay, guys? So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want more content from Uncle Chada's, please consider joining the Discord or subscribing to the Substack. Alright, hope you found value in this video. Peace.